How Edmonton accounting firms can assist a Canadian small business. There is a diverse range of companies operating in Canada, each of which could gain something from the assistance of an accounting firm in Edmonton. Employing an accountant to keep accurate records of a company's income, expenses, and tax obligations can assist any type of business, from brand new startups to well-established family businesses, in realizing their full potential. The following are 5 reasons why any company, regardless of size or industry, should seriously consider the possibility of contracting the bookkeeping duties to an established accounting firm. It's possible that a company doesn't have the need for a full-time accountant because they don't generate enough paperwork. However, when non-accountants are required to split their time between balancing the books and performing their various duties, they are unable to be as effective as employees who are only able to focus on one task at a time. The company makes it possible for employees to fulfill the responsibilities for which they were hired by entering into a contract with a financial management firm or bookkeeping firm, such as Bombcast Canada Accounting and Tax Services in Edmonton, to handle their accounts. Keeping track of accounts payable and receivable, as well as the paperwork required for taxes and other financial information, can be a challenging task. In addition, if a company is rapidly expanding, it will be difficult to keep track of the various laws that will apply at the various stages of expansion because there will be so many of them. Employing a dedicated firm whose sole responsibility it is to understand these regulations is one way in which a company can help ensure that it complies with the rules by helping to ensure compliance. The proprietor of a business in Edmonton may consult with their accountant to obtain guidance on any necessary changes or forthcoming financial legislation that may be relevant to the company's situation. The vast majority of accounting firms in the city of Edmonton, which is located in the province of Alberta, Canada, offer their clients some kind of guarantee for their work that is within the parameters of the initial contract. However, financial disputes can tie up working capital for extended periods of time, so it is still important to do your research and choose a company that has an outstanding reputation and a track record of success if you want to prevent this from happening to your business. With the assistance of knowledgeable financial analysis, one is able to produce a more balanced budget, which in turn makes it much easier to plan for any future increases in revenue or, if necessary, decreases in expenditures. To name just a few examples, if a company does accurate forecasting, there is a greater possibility that it will have sufficient stock on hand, sufficient funds for payroll, and sufficient funds to pay sufficient quarterly taxes. In addition, there is a greater possibility that the company will have sufficient funds to pay sufficient quarterly taxes. Please get in touch with Bombcast Canada as soon as possible so that they can assist you in satisfying all of the accounting and tax requirements that you have. Bombcast Edmonton Accountant can be reached at www.bombcast.ca, via email at info@bombcast.ca, or by phone at 780-667-5250.